Hi and good evening. I would like to thanks to who has been spent your free time for watching this video. Firstly, I would like to introduce a little bit about our video. This video content on how you want to read or understand a welding symbol. In this video, we will talking about AWS symbols but not ISO. There is several things on AWS that different from ISO. For ISO, it have arrow line, reference line, which is continuous line, identification line shown as dash line, and the welding symbol itself. For AWS welding symbol, it only has an arrow line, reference line, and tail line. Before we go through to the next part of this video, I would like to ask you guys to click the like and subscribe button under this video. First thing you must to know is you have to make a reading and recognize all symbols and identify as many as you can of the symbols on the welding symbol chart. Not all processes use the same symbol, but several symbols look similar and almost same to the other symbol. Here are the step-by-step to read a welding symbol. First of all, every weld symbols must consist of an arrow line and reference line. The arrow may point up or down. Next, the arrow does not necessarily need to point to the side of the joint that needs to be welded. Sometimes space constraints in the drawing will not allow for the arrow to fit on one side. So the information placed on the reference line will be an indication of whether the weld goes on the arrow side or the opposite side. Next, the type of weld joint is indicated by a specific symbol. The American Welding Society, or AWS, has a very nice chart detailing these symbols. The chart shows a section of it. This is a basic welding symbols and their location significance table. For sure, many of us know on fillet arrow line and groove arrow line. This is why most of it used on site and almost on the factory. Information such as size, length, and other special considerations will be displayed next to the weld symbol. Location of this information matters, as we can see the picture of an example of a fillet weld symbols and groove weld symbols. Fillet weld symbols will always have the vertical lines of the symbol on the left. Note, the symbol that are circled in blue is shown for opposite side welding process, and the red circle is for the size, length, and other special considerations including groove angle, depth of the bevel, and fillet weld size. Next, the length of the fillet weld, if it is not the entire length of the joint, is displayed to the right side of the symbol. As you can see on the picture, most of it has numbers on the right side of triangle. Intermittent welds are called out using length and pitch. As noted above, the numbers to the right of the diagonal line of the fillet symbol is the length. In the US, this will be in inch unless otherwise noted. The pitch is displayed to the right of the length, and it indicates the distance between centers. We move to the next. Okay, very important. if you ever see a flag at the intersection of the reference line and the arrow, as in the red circle, do not make that weld if you are in a shop. This flags indicates this weld must be done in the field or open site. Several of the diagrams just now show the configuration of the base material, graphical representation of the joint by showing how the two pieces come together. This is almost never the case on an actual drawing, and thus it is why it is important to know the different weld symbols shown on the AWS symbols chart. A drawing will more than likely do something like this. Finally, thanks for watching this video. I hope this video will help a little bit for the audience to learn and understand on how to read and identifying any symbols in welding symbol chart. But remember, always know the location of weld symbols area and identify the number given on arrow or special consideration before run any welding work. Thank you.